Hello guys, we are back with a new AI tool on your favorite YouTube channel Generative Coach. I hope you all are doing well. Please allow me to introduce you with the next AI. It's an amazing AI called HeyGen AI. This platform creates realistic avatar and AI vocal completed with a script. With the HeyGen, you can create customized avatar that speaks and emote according with your script. Let's click and get started for free.
Free.
After clicking, you have to log in. So for now, I'm logged in with my Google account. After login, it will show you their upgrade plans for free for teams, and there is also enterprise plan, so you can call to a respective salesperson and customize your plan according to your company. So let's start with the free account for now. After this, it will ask you some question like this. You can answer them according to you and then submit them. After submission, the interface looks like this. On the left side of our screen, there is a panel where you can see many options like templates, project, and many more. After clicking on a template, we see templates for many platforms. In HeyGen, they provide around 159 templates from different platforms like advertisement, e-commerce, learning, development, and many more. After clicking here, you can create the first template that I will show you. Then if we click on an avatar, we see 700 plus avatar here with different looks. Let's choose this one for now. You can play the video by clicking here.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
After clicking here, you can edit their look also. So here on the right side of the screen, there is a panel from where you can edit their look. By clicking there, you can save a new look also, so that you can save the avatar. So on the top side, we can see the voice option by clicking
this
on
is
it.
what I sound like.
So by clicking on a voice, you can choose your customized voice according to your avatar character. Let's create a video by clicking here. After clicking here, it will ask you would you like to create. So here I'm selecting avatar video. Then it will ask you in which orientation you would like to create your video. So here I am choosing the portrait mode. After submitted that, the interface look like this, and here you can see the avatar we had created and save it before. If you scroll down, we see more of that. If you want to change that, you can change it by clicking on them. So for now, I'm choosing the avatar that I created. Let's play it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Oh wow, so you can see he's saying some words that are written here. So you can edit it by clicking here and give him another script if you want to. And if you click on a template, we can choose template also. For now, I'm choosing this one. After clicking on this plus button, there are 4 options. You have script, you can pause section, you can recording, and you can upload audio. So here I'm choosing to add the script and give him the script. After clicking on the script version, you can add the script here. Let's play it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. Hi, we are welcoming you to join the webinar for information about AI tools.
Oh wow! I know you are thinking that he is speaking, but his face and lips don't move. So I want to tell you that they will move, but you have to submit first. So on this panel, you can also set the element button by which you can add elements on the canvas just by drag and drop it. You can also see the text option by clicking on it. We see many presets of the text, so I am choosing this one and place here just by dragging and dropping. Let's submit it and see the result. After submission, you can give it a name. So here I'm typing the text. You can also change the resolution, but in the free count, you can only choose 720 resolution, which is less than a HD resolution. If you want to save it or generate it in a good quality, you have to purchase an entrepreneur license. Here you can see the FPS of the video. Let's submit it. It will take a few minutes. After that, you will see the video. Let's play it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. Hi, we are welcoming you to join the webinar for information about AI tools and how to use them with the help of Generative Coach.
Wow! In a single click, you just made the video by writing the script with AI avatar. You can also do the same with this process. You can turn on the caption from here so that the canvas you will see there is a caption.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. Hi, we are welcoming you to join the webinar for information.
You can also translate the script by just clicking on a translation option. You can here select the language in which you want to change. So I'm here selecting Hindi. Let's see. Oh, so again we have to do the same process, and you can see here there are some Hindi words that this is AI translated for us, and you have to submit it. And it will take a few minutes. Wow! Like seriously, as you can see below here in Hindi translation of our script, just a few steps. You don't have to write your script in Hindi. You can just translate it by clicking, by just a single click. You have to try it. It's amazing, and tell us a comment section if you find it amazing. So I'm resting my video here for now. If you want to learn about more AI tools like this, or if you want to use AI tools for your graphic design, digital marketing, business, productivity, and many more, please subscribe us to our channel Generative Coach. And if you like our video, hit like our button and do comment us section, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook. The link in description. Thank you for the watching.